Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming the physical path. Check your laptop's HDMI output and the monitor's HDMI input and plug the cable in firmly. If your laptop lacks a direct HDMI port, use the correct adapter, USB-C to HDMI or DisplayPort to HDMI, and connect it now. Once connected, power both devices and select the monitor's HDMI input from its source menu. This immediate action establishes the link, so the system can detect the external display and let you proceed to configure split screen. Now you configure how the screens behave. Open Display Settings. On Windows, go to System Display. On Mac OS, open Displays in System Settings. Select Extend to use both screens independently or duplicate if you want the same image. Choose Extend for split workspaces. Next, set each screen's resolution and scaling so text and windows match size, then drag the display icons to match their physical layout. Finally, pick which monitor is primary. Once done, you can move windows freely between screens for a true split workflow. Finish by arranging windows for productivity. Snap them to halves, use Windows Snap with Win plus arrow keys, or activate Mac OS Split View so you have a clear left-right split. If you notice flicker, black screen, or mismatched color, check refresh rate and GPU settings, make adjustments in display settings and your graphics control panel. If the monitor is not detected, reseat or swap the HDMI cable, try a different port or adapter, update GPU drivers, and test the monitor with another device to isolate the problem.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.